Hello, I'm your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice, easy, one simple balloon giraffe. Very easy to do. It's the same as a dog, but it's got a long neck. I am going to be using orange. You can use whatever color you want. Take your old trusty pump or blow it up with your mouth, but I prefer the pump. And for the giraffe, you're gonna blow it up. You're gonna leave about 2 to 2.5 fingers left, like this. About that much there, like that. About 2 fingers. Okay. We're gonna pinch off a little bit there. Let some air out. Not too much, but enough to make it soft. And we're gonna tie that off, and then we're gonna give it a squeeze. Run our hands through it like this 2 or 3 times, and now we're ready to make our giraffe. So the first thing about giraffes is they kind of have a long snout. So we're gonna accentuate that, make it a little longer to have like a cartoon kind of effect. Then they actually have little ears. So we're gonna do about a 3-inch bubble to a 3-inch twist here, a 1.5 here, another 1.5 to match for the ears. Now we have our nice giraffe face and ears. Then we're gonna want to give it a little bit of a squeeze, and we're gonna want to run down to about. See, we want quite a bit left because we still need to do the front legs and the back legs and have enough for a little tiny tail. So we're gonna twist it about right here. So depending on how long you want the neck and how big you want the legs, then I'm gonna twist off about that much there. Then another, as with the same there, twist those two together. Then we have the front legs. Then we're gonna make the giraffe body about just that big. And we're gonna twist another leg. And one more leg. Let's make that a little bigger so the legs are about the same. And right there, just have a little tail, just like that. And that is essentially your giraffe. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.